Welcome back to Camper Cooking. Today we are going to make quinoa and pear salad. So let's get started. We're going to start with a cup of cooked quinoa and we're going to add that to our mixing bowl. To our cooked quinoa, we're going to add one diced Asian pear. I prefer the Asian pears, but you can use any kind of pear that you like. We're going to add that to our bowl. And then we're going to add 1 cup of sliced and diced celery. Next, we are going to pour 1½ tablespoon of rice vinegar over our ingredients in our mixing dish. And then we're going to lightly toss the ingredients. Lastly, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of slivered almonds. And I'm going to kind of sprinkle these over the top just to kind of give it a pretty appearance. And there you have our quinoa pear salad.
Check out our other recipes and playlists, and we'll see you next time for Second Helpings.